Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make palitaw with jackfruit sauce or sticky rice float with jackfruit sauce. So before natin gawin yun, I'm gonna teach you how to make the latek or the coconut curd. Okay, so this video is from my old video which is how to make coconut oil. So, ipapakita rin dito yung making coconut milk from scratch. Pero, you can skip this process. Old school kasi masyado to. So, if you don't know how to grate or you don't wanna do this, okay lang. So, kailangan nyo lang, for you to be able to get the coconut curd, kailangan lang kayo ng 1 can of coconut cream, tapos papakuluan nyo lang siya. Okay, so let's make the dough. So, we just need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour and 1 cup of water or coconut milk. So, it's up to you kung water ang gagamitin nyo or milk. So, i-combine lang natin siya together hanggang maka-form tayo ng dough. Ako kasi, inuunti-unti ko and then, pag kulang ng tubig, at saka lang ako magdadagdag. Kailangan mimix din natin with our hands. Okay, so ini-knead natin siya with our hand hanggang mag-form na siya ng dough hanggang ano yun na hindi na dumidikit dun sa ano nyo, sa kamay nyo or sa gloves. Pag hindi na dumidikit, so ready na yun, pwede na yun. Okay, so mag-prepare lang tayo ng pan. If you want to put banana leaves, you may do so. Kung wala naman kayong banana leaves, okay lang. So, grease pan with coconut oil or cooking oil. And then, scoop and shape dough into small balls like maybe 1 inch diameter. And then, ilagay lang natin lahat sa tray for later use. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the jackfruit sauce. So we just need 6 cups of water. We need 2.5 cups of light brown sugar. We also need 1 cup of fresh jackfruit or 1 can of jackfruit, pwede. I-shred lang natin yung na maliliit yung jackfruit, and then we need half cup of coconut curd or latek and 4 stems of pandan leaves. Okay, in a separate pot, combine lang natin lahat ng ingredients except doon sa latek or coconut curd. And then, pakuluan lang natin siya. Okay, at the same time, papakulo tayo ng water, like 10 cups of water in a separate pot. And then, ipa-flatten lang natin yung ating rice balls. Tapos, ilalagay natin slowly or gently yung dough sa rolling boil. Actually, yung aking water is not boiling yet. Okay. So, aantayin lang natin siyang mag-float. Okay, so guys, pagka nag-float na yung ating rice balls or yung dough natin na nilagay sa boiling water, pag nag-float na siya, i-remove lang natin siya and then ita-transfer. Ay, put it on the side. O kaya, kung kumukulo na yung inyong jackfruit sauce, pwede yun nang i-transfer doon right away. So, i-transfer na natin sa jackfruit sauce yung ating sticky rice float. Then, hayaan lang natin siyang kumulo para, maluto pa yung ating palitaw. And then, ilagay na natin yung ating coconut curd o kaya yung latex. So, mag-iwan kayo ng kahit konti para mamaya for toppings. So, iluto lang natin siya, pakuluin natin siya ng mga 3 to 5 minutes hanggang makita natin na parang ano na siya, yung malapot na. Slightly malapot. Konting lapot. So, that's the time. Ready na yung ating dessert. Ayan, ready na siya. Pwede na natin ilagay sa platito. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng toppings. So, ayan yung natirang coconut curd, yung latte. Then, scoop na natin. Sarap. Okay, so pwede rin natin tong kainin ng malamig, no? Pero, mas masarap siya kainin pagka mainit-init pa. Hindi naman mainit na mainit. Yung tama lang sa init. I hope you guys try this kind of recipe, the dessert recipe for today. And then, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thanks for watching.